Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'll be recreating this makeup look. This is the Ashtami night makeup look. So to know how I created this look and what products I used, please keep on watching. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and also press the notification tab. And I hope you will be liking this video. And also if you like this video, do put a thumbs up. So without further ado, let's move on to the video. Today first I'll do my eye makeup, and for that I'm using my Maybelline The Nudes palette. And taking this lighter shade from the palette, I'll apply it as a transition shade. Next, taking this shade from my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, I'll apply it on my crease just right below the earlier shade. And then we'll apply the same shade on the inner and outer corner of the eyelids with a flat brush. I'm applying this golden shade in the middle of the eyelid, which I left blank. Next, I'm applying this shimmery red eyeshadow, which I bought from a local store, on my entire lid with a flat brush. And then blending everything out with a clean fluffy brush. Next, applying this glittery shade from Wet n Wild single eyeshadow in the shade Brass and applying it on my entire lid with my fingers. This will just add a little bit of drama onto your eyes. I'll leave my eye makeup for now and will start with my face makeup. First, I'll use a primer, and for that I'm using the Nivea Men Aftershave Balm as a primer. This acts as a very good primer. Next, I'll color correct my dark circles and the pigmentation on my skin with an orange corrector from NY Bay. I'm just blending it out with my fingers. Then I'll set it with my Rimmel Stay Matte Compact Powder in the shade Warm Beige. For foundation, I'm going to mix my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Boldless Foundation in the shade 128 with the Illuminating Makeup Base from Miss Claire, and the shade is Sunbeam. Now I'll be using this Maybelline Strobing Cream in the shade Nude, and I'll put it on the high points of my face. After this, I'll set the face with Rimmel Compact Powder. For concealing and highlighting, I'm going to use the Focalio Concealer in the shade 05 Tan. And then again setting my face with the same compact powder. Now taking the darker shade from Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Palette in this shade Dulce de Leche, I'll be contouring the hollows of my cheek, my jawline, my hairline and my nose. For blush, today I am using this shade from my Oddbo palette. Using the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate palette to highlight the high points of my face, the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and forehead and chin. And then to do my eyebrows, today I am using the Miss Claire Waterproof Eye Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. Highlighting my brow bone and the inner corner of my eyes with the same Makeup Revolution highlighter. Now putting this shade on my lower lash line, and then will tightline my lower waterline with this kajal from NY Bay. To intensify the eye look, I am packing my lower lash line with a black eyeshadow from Maybelline palette. Now I will be drawing a dramatic wing eyeliner with the black gel eyeliner from Music Flower. To complete the eye look, mascarifying my eyes with Maybelline Hypercurl Volume Express Mascara. Now for lipstick, I'm using my all-time favorite red lipstick from MAC, and it is the famous Ruby You. Now setting my makeup with Wet n Wild Photo Focus setting spray in natural finish, and just dabbing off the spray onto my skin with a beauty blender. So guys, this is the final look that I have created today. I hope you liked it. And if you did, don't forget to put a big fat thumbs up and also to subscribe to my channel if you are new here. I'll see you in my new video. Till then, take care, love you. Bye bye.